If you don't do anything and start moving your feet, then the past is doomed to repeat. Sat in your seat, watching your life go by without the movie or screen.
Hey, does that sound right to you? I mean, is that a drill flow? I mean, it's me spitting on a drill beat, but does it flow right? And that is precisely why you can't flow to a drill beat. You're too busy trying to sound like this.
The names I called you. Should've never called you a bitch, but I did. Now you're pissed trying to cut my clothes. Should've deleted that text and you wouldn't have known that I fucked those hoes.
The trendy drill flow or voice. You see, I keep reiterating this point, but for most rap genres, there's only 4 beats in a bar. The main difference being the speed at which these 4 beats come around, which is determined by the tempo or the BPM. And drill has a BPM ranging anywhere from 138 BPM to 150 BPM. And if you're hitting those 4 beats, fitting your 9-syllable line into those 4 beats, those bars, then you are flowing to a drill beat, whether it sounds trendy or not. Listen again.
Cause most of us found confused and we're lost. Spent most of our time taking bruises and lost. Don't know what to do, like we're needing a boss or needing instructions to feeding us off.
Each line is a certain amount of syllables, and line after line this verse hits those 4 beats, whether it's this line,
Awaken the beast,
or that line.
don't let the fear start taking your peace.
And if you can do that, you will be flowing to drill beats. You need to stop trying to sound like someone else and embody your rap style and voice, as long as you're following the rules of music, which one of them is fitting numbers into time, aka fitting a 9-syllable sentence, for example, into the time it takes 4 beats to pass by on a drill beat. You will be in flow, in rhythm, in time with the beat. The most important thing you need to learn in order to flow to a drill beat and keep up with the tempo, keep up with the rhythm, keep consistent, swim around on the beat, is to recognize that 4 count when it comes by. And then once you've done this, you can actually test to see if your verse fits perfectly with the beat by writing 16 lines. And you're going to spit these 16 lines to a 16-bar segment in the beat. You will know when 16 bars have passed by because there will be a noticeable change in the instrumental. Sometimes this change happens at 8 bars, so listen out for it twice. If the 16 lines that you've written fits perfectly into this 16-bar segment, then you know you performed it perfectly in time with the beat and your flow was in rhythm. And with all that being said, that is all the info in this video. Hopefully you find it of value. Simple rules, simple stuff, works for me every time. Hopefully it works for you. There's other ways to go about it. This is just my approach. If you found it of value, send it to someone else who you think might find it of value. Give it a like, it helps the video out, helps the channel out. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Channel wouldn't be here without you. And with all this being said, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.